Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone in Google Chat. Alright, you can open a Google Chat apps, or you can just open the Gmail and select the just wait and select the chat room. Just wait. Alright, so select your print and select your print account, and you can click block and report. Yeah, so super simple. That's how you can block your someone on Google Chat. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.